In a cozy little house not far from the glen lived a tiny mouse named Ben, who was scared of his den. He shivered and quivered, his whiskers a-twitch, for in the dark corners there lay a mysterious hitch. One evening, as Ben sat alone in his nest, he heard a loud noise which put him to the test. He peeked out cautiously, eyes wide with fright, and saw a shadow looming in the dim moonlight. Oh, how his little heart raced with fear as he trembled and shook, wishing he could disappear. But then, from the corner, came a gentle purr, and out popped Millie, the cat, with a reassuring whir. "Don't be afraid, little Ben," she said with a grin. "I'll protect you from whatever's lurking within. For I may be a cat, with claws sharp and keen, but to my dear friend Ben, I'm a cuddly feline queen." With a flick of her tail and a confident stride, Millie led Ben through the darkness side by side. She showed him the shadows were nothing to fear, and that courage and friendship were always near. Together they explored with laughter and glee, each nook and cranny filled with curiosity. And as they ventured deeper into the night, Ben's fear melted away, replaced by delight. For he learned that with a friend by his side, there was no need to run and hide. With Millie's love and courage so true, Ben felt brave and strong, just like new. So as the night faded and dawn drew near, Ben snuggled up close without a single tear. With Millie beside him, warm and snug, he whispered softly with a sleepy shrug, "Thank you, dear Millie, for being my friend, for chasing away the fear till the very end. Now as we close our eyes and bid the night farewell, I know that with you my fears will never dwell. And so, my dear friends, it's time to say goodnight, with hearts full of courage and dreams shining bright. May you find comfort in the ones you hold dear as you drift off to sleep without a single fear."